After 131 years in the UK and many years negotiating, the Kaitaka of Rewi Manga Maniapoto was returned to Aotearoa late last year and has been resting at the Papa Museum. Today is the day members of Ngāti Paretekawa uplift the Kaitaka and begin the journey home to Te Rohe Pōtae. Lead negotiation for the repatriation of the Kaitaka of Rewi Maniapoto is Kawhia Te Murahi, who's with us now. Tēnā koe matua, thank you for joining us.
Tēnā koe e hoa, tēnā koutou katoa, I ki tiro mai nei. Greetings, Neil, and to those who are watching.
How important, tēnā koe, how important is it for Ngāti Paretekawa to have the Kaitaka and for it to be able to be returned to Ngāti Maniapoto whenua?
As you mentioned, it's been out of the country for many, many years. And it's only per chance that we were able to secure it and get it home. So I think it's quite a significant return of a tupuna taonga.
Well, what marae are you looking to return the Kaitaka to, and who will be involved in the process?
We'll be calling into Napi Napi marae, which is near Piopio, and the province is called Moko Kirunga, part of Ngāti Maniapoto. And the people involved there will be the hapu of Ngāti Paretekawa, a branch of Ngāti Paretekawa, Ngāti Te Rahurahu, Ngāti Waiora, hopefully some of our relations from Ngāti Te Paimate, and other extended members of whānau and hapu.
Matua, how important is this event for all of Ngāti Maniapoto?
I think symbolically it's a significant event, given that last week Maniapoto attended en masse the final reading of the settlement bill, and now a week later we have this significant taonga finally returning home. So it comes on the heels of two major events for Ngāti Maniapoto in Te Nehenehene. This one in particular, especially for those who are connected by whakapapa to Manga Rewi Maniapoto, it's quite significant.
And this has been a fairly drawn-out process, particularly for you as lead negotiator. 4 years ago, this was really only a pipe dream. How challenging has the road been to get to this point?
Kia ora, Neil. I think if you remember the last time we spoke, I had black hair. That's how challenging it's been. I think, if I could be quite honest, significantly challenging from one perspective, and that the fact that we're so distant from where the Kaitaka was. We were in the middle of, COVID was just hitting us all. So in the intervening year and a half, 2 years, we were able, with an excellent team of people on the ground in the UK, London, and here in Aotearoa, working together diligently to essentially execute a plan which was an impossible plan from the very beginning. But I'm just thankful to all those who were connected to the process for their time and their considerable effort, which culminated in the success of the repatriation process.
Matua, te pūtake o te riri is only a few weeks away now. Are you considering including the Kaitaka into this year's Orako commemoration day?
That's a good question. I think there is a direct connection, obviously, with the Kaitaka and the Manga Rewi Maniapoto. And there is a lot of romanticism about Rewi Maniapoto and the Waikato. So there is a natural connection there. I think it would be nice to do that, but I've got to be mindful that we don't take away from the kaupapa of the day, which is to commemorate all of the wars of Aotearoa.
Lead negotiator of the repatriation for the Kaitaka of Rewi Maniapoto, Ka whia te mūrahi, thank you so much for joining us today and congratulations on what is an amazing outcome. Ngā mihi.
Ngā mihi kia koe, Neil.